Welcome, welcome everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome everyone. So new week, brand new week. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. Yes. Good morning, good morning. So caught a nice sell on AJ around 5 a.m. Ooh, 5 a.m. Assuming it's probably gonna be there. No. 5 a.m. Ooh, maybe a little further down. Yeah, AJ Asian session was very, very nice. AJ Asian session was very nice because this candle closed below. This one made a top wick, rejecting the zone, getting on the flips. Stop loss above the previous, the current candle flip, targeting these lows. Very nice. The price comes retraces, causes some resistance, take the sells back down. So, yeah, that was kind of nice. That was kind of nice. So let's just take a look at news today. Oh wow, shit, more bank holidays. French, German, and Swiss. But that's okay for us. I think this week is very, very clean for us. Yes, there is. Which is pretty good, to be honest. Makes life a lot easier. So we'll see. So yeah, let's just start with GJ over here. Looking like let's look at the daily. Daily hasn't moved too much upwards yet. It's kind of came down, broken the low of the previous, but overall still very, very bullish on GJ. So yeah, the first thing I want to look at over here is the daily time frame. So the daily is continuing upwards, and we've actually closed above the resistance to the left hand side, which is nice. So yeah. Bank of holidays almost the whole of Europe, I think, called Whit Monday. So yeah, EJ and stuff may not be the best today. Okay, so 4-hour time frame as well is bearish right now. It's making a low wick. It looks like the last one kind of rejected the lows, which is kind of nice to see. So this last 4-hour candle pushed all the way back down, retapped the previous resistance nearly, and then flipped and closed bullish towards the end of the candle. So looking good for the buys, to be honest. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Right now it's starting to reject a little bit though, which sucks. Take a look at the 30-minute, the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, so looking like price came up, starting to reject a little bit. Big level of support is over here at 163.146. We see that we have a new support at 163.028 right around here, which is what we made Asian. So Asian's already got a double bottom. So showing that, you know, very, very strong level of support, rejecting these lows. So for buys, this is when things get a little bit harder, because you got to go right. I want to take buys, but I want nice areas to take buys, and right now there isn't the nicest areas, to be honest with you. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yes, 30-minute resistance is right now, and before 163.420, 430, pretty hard area. Let's take a look over here. So. So buys above 163.457 could be reasonable. I mean, the only issue you have is the zone above is not really too big. This is like 10 pips scraping. So then you could have it a little bit higher, and you're like, oh, this is a little bit choppy here. So I think the easiest way, and I actually put it for Asian, is above 700. However, I do think if you get some nice strong candle closures above 523, that wouldn't be too bad either. Let's take a look at that 30-minute. Yeah, that'll be above the 30 minutes. So I think maybe riskier buys could be there. So let me just say over here, these are sells below. Very, very simple for the sells. I think it'll be fine below there. 163.026. Yeah. I think buys, maybe you might be able to take some buys above here. But I'd be a little bit cautious. I'd be waiting for some very, very clean candles to continue with us. Let's put that there. Beautiful stuff. Good morning, mates. You make my work easy by finding the liquidity by these support and resistance in double bottoms. Very nice. Glad it can help you out. Morning, morning. Happy birthday, Sash. Oh yeah, happy birthday, Sash. Wonder if he's hungover again. Wonder if he's hungover again. So yeah, I mean, right now there's a little bit of support 163.249. So maybe, I mean, maybe you could be a bit aggressive and take the sells below. But for me, I think it's just, this is zone 1. Okay, this big area here is zone 1. And I just want zone 1 to break, right? Either above or below. And then I'm going to take some nice trades. 163.7065 for me and GJ. Yeah, I agree. Very easy buys above there, I'd say. This is a bit choppy, right? But I think if it gets a closure there, I wouldn't mind just riding it up. But yeah, I think the safer buys would be above 7.16. Safer buys above 6.3. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. So very nice. We're ready. Looking like people are looking at AJ, so we'll take a look at AJ in a sec. But yeah. So, was there any news again today? Let's check. No, so it's literally nothing today. Wow, we've got an easy day. So let's just take a look how the 4 hours are looking right now. Yeah, so the last one's rejected. This one's coming up, making a bottom wick right now. Hourly's just closed bearish. Interesting. Hourly's just closed bearish. The 30-minute and the 15 axis have actually closed below. Take a look at the 30. Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. Doesn't have enough momentum to push down over here. 22 pip zone. It could fill. What do you guys think about this, Bri? Have you seen this, my man? I'd say it's
yeah, I'm looking at it. How's it?
Yeah, it's closed below minor support over here, and that minor support there as well.
Yeah.
Flipping now. How much would your stops be on the previous? 13 pips. Where would the retest be? Kind of already done it there pretty nicely.
It's down the retest, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice for sell right now to come back in the zone over here, guys. How long do you usually stream until London? I stream until like till like 9 o'clock, so 2 hours. 2 hours. Oh yes. Morning, everyone. Morning. So I think if you're in a GJ still over here, I think it could be good. I think my only issue for it was that the stops above the previous candle was a little bit too big, 13 pips. The 5-minute time frame wicking back up to these areas was actually not too bad. Yeah, so if you got in on the top wick there, that was nice, yeah. That happened so quick, holy fuck. Very nice. Gotta be on the ball. 7 AM, good volume though coming in, which is nice to see. And Hourly's made the top wick and coming down now, making some big resistance. It didn't close below. Ooh, kind of did for me. Only just, but worked out nicely. Okay, so let's just take a look at AJ. Yeah, I'm not going to change AJ too much because it just hasn't moved a lot. So 4-hour time frame is bearish now. This one's made the top wick as well. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily's got some big daily resistance, which is nice to see. Very nice. Let's take a look on the 15 and the 30. So looking like actually AJ's closed below this level, started to make some resistance, which is interesting. A little bit of minor support. Let me just move this here 1 second. Got a little bit of minor support right now. Here. So I mean, if price just closed below here, it could be kind of nice to continue back down. The 30 minutes already shown the resistance. How much would the stops be if you break that low? Just a second, let's just take a look here. 10 pips. That's not too bad. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, and the hourly's closed bearish as well, so that could be quite nice for sells below. Could be quite nice. So looking like GJ is retraced a little bit. So if you got in on the flip, how are you going to manage? Just take a look over here. Yeah, 5 pips right at that wick. I think that would have been break even for me. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. 170 people in already. Wicked stuff. I'm going to take a look at gold as well in a second. But yeah, AJ looks okay. I think it's a little bit choppy in this area, but below here it's pretty clean, right? It's pretty clean, so let's do this. Also, people who are new, people are new in the group, make sure to go into the Telegram and go to the pinned message, and then you can join the other chat. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, it's struggling now, but you know, it's in the zone. It's not, you know, at the highest point of the zone. It's right bang in the middle. So when you get in, you got to be a bit cautious. That top wick there would have been perfect, I think. And you may have just scraped 9.5 pips. Yeah. 9.5 pipperoonies. Audio is gone. Oh, let's take a look over here. I think it's okay. Can you guys hear me? Someone says audio is gone.
I can hear you perfectly.
Wicked. So yeah, let me just mark this up a little bit better, right? So for me, probably buys. Oh no, buys are all falling AJ, man. Yeah, I'm not looking for buys, I don't think. I think I'm only gonna be looking for the sells. Someone's saying audio is gone, fam. Oh shit. How can they not hear me in the chat? Are you sure you can't hear me, guys? I want to find your free Telegram group. Was trying to find it last night. Oh yeah, they can hear us now. Okay. Yeah, it's not a free one, man. I don't have a free one. Yeah, it's just a paid one. Let me just move this over here. Okay. So sells below there, I think would be nice as well. And where would it continue? Well, it should fill this next zone to 93,847. Moses, I'm going to take a look at your Asian loss that you took this morning. See how that went. See what you could have done better, maybe. So yeah, Martin, shut the fuck up. Everyone hears me. I think it's just you, bro. So yeah, look like GJ's continuing. Did it actually hold on? Oh, very close. 291 or is that? Closure below 185 for me for GJ sells. Yeah, I kind of see that below here. A little bit of resistance there and stuff. Yeah, could be okay. I think below 0.026 is gonna be so nice because you know sells below 1.8. So is it 1.85 here? It's coming towards this resistance here. Yeah, I'd rather wait a little bit lower. You waiting for a closure, AJ, or will you take it when price comes to take that low? Wait for a closure, I think. Yeah. Gonna wait for a closure. Already broken the low, so could be okay to continue down. 30-minute looks good. 30-minute looks good. Yeah, I agree. I think the sells are nice. I'm glad I didn't actually take them because did anyone try and take these? Because you would have got hit out on both, even the retest.
Yeah, I took the flip and it went like 6.5 pips and straight back to entry.
Yeah, that's a shame. But in the middle of a zone, right? So you can't. You get what you're given, right? Rojo, he's holding. Yeah, let's just go through gold over here, guys. So look at all my fucking things. Yeah, I was messing on a paper trading thing on. Look at that account balance, 260 grand from 100. Sheesh, over leveraging. Okay, let's take a look. Right, so gold time frame closed bearish. I still think gold is very bearish overall, to be honest with you. Yeah, how do I get rid of these fucking arrows? People have to look at this shit. Can I delete them like that? No. Okay, so daily time frame right now is bullish. It's making a little bit of a nice top wick, which is good. 4-hour close bullish as well. I'm just making the top wick of the hourly, so it's nothing too important. The hourly, oh sorry, 1 second, let me just move that. So yeah, 4-hour close bullish, but that doesn't mean anything really. Doesn't mean anything for buys. It's just making a little bit of the top wick of the daily for me personally. That's what I see anyway. So now, I mean, we're pushing up. We've got a bit of resistance to the highs over here. So right around 1856. This is a new resistance. Okay. You can see that there's a little minor bit of support here at 1854. So looking like a little bit of a zone here. Sells below could be kind of nice to continue bearish back in the zone. To come back down to Asian lows, which is down here. Asian lows. I mean, you could potentially try and get for buys above. My only issue is the resistance is very, very big here. Yeah, so I think sells are going to be kind of nice. Maybe sells below, to be honest. If this hourly close is bearish, that could be kind of nice. So, let's put this over here. 1854. Sells below 1854.3. Very nice. So yeah, very, very good. Looking like GJ's coming down nicely. It's a shame for people entering there, man. You had to held that on, which sucks. It would have worked out nicely, but yeah, you would have got stopped out at break even here. Or if you got in on the top wick, you would have got stopped out as well. But that's okay, can't do much about it. If you could only trade one session, which one would you choose? Which one is most statistically more profitable? It depends on the month. Depends on the month. Really does just depend on the month, so I think both very similar. I still need to do my other months, but let's take a look over here. So here is more London. Here is mix of both. Yeah, it's just a mixture, man. Big mixture. So yeah, we're ready with the charts now. Very, very nice. Gold's got his own little zone. AJ's got his little zone, and GJ coming down. Let's take a look at AJ right now. I think I'll probably wait for this 30-minute to close bearish. I think, yeah, give it a little bit more confirmation. So yeah, let's take a look then at Moses' trades. One of our students over here. Okay, so this is GJ 50-minute. Entry type break and retest. Break and retest. Is it a break and retest? 30-minute was green. Hour was low wick and the green. Yeah, you need to tell me which one you got into again. Because did you get it on that candle, that candle, that candle, or that candle? I don't know. I don't know which one you got into. So, should we break even on that? Yeah, I know. Well, it depends what candle, but yeah, it looks like every single one of them should have been break even. You're putting your break even way too late, Moses. You've done that quite a lot recently. Because if you got in here 325 and price went to there 380 or even 4200, 400, you're up 8 pips or so. So that should be break even for sure. But you know, just be a little bit cautious. Look what you're doing. You're very much counter trend. Look, you're very much counter trend. So sells would be more preferred. One little tiny bullish candle here doesn't mean that price is going to reverse all the way back up. You'd probably be better to wait for the sells when it closes below there, in my opinion. Hey Max, I've sent you a chart. Yeah, I'll take a look at it, brother. There we go. GJ's on someone now, so that's good. So if we come back below, yeah, we could fill all here and move that up a little bit more actually. Here, 162647 would be nice. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So if AJ you got on the break of the low, you'd been up 4 pips, 5 pips. 4 pips, 5 pips, not too bad, not too bad. But yeah, looking like GJ is looking a little bit bearish now. The 4 hours really rejecting. The daily time frame is very, very bearish. So maybe, yeah, could be kind of nice. This zone that we're coming into is big enough as well, 35 pips. So great. And break even on AJ, nice. What do you think of Euro GBP? I think you should leave it alone probably. Because it is, first of all, a shit pair. Second of all, Euro is closed. GBP isn't, but let's just take a look over here. Yeah, it's just a range. Look at these candles. Look how small the candles are. Hell no. Don't be trading that shit, boy. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it reacts here at 163, because 163 is really a big psychological level as well, because it's, you know, a big number. It's a whole number. It's not in the middle of any quarter point. It's literally just a full zone. So you'd have to see for that. 34 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Also, I think I've given everyone the magic keys now last week. I think I do. If you haven't got yours yet, message me again, because I gave out quite a lot and I forgot how many fucking people I gave, how many names. But I think I've done most of them. I think I gave out 3. I think I did 3. So yeah. So we'll see over here. Just patiently waiting in a zone. That's all you gotta do. No more magic keys. Fuck off. So yeah, also I just say, guys, if you guys want to have a bit of more words of wisdom, I think you should go and look at who's it called, Controller FX's last live stream here with Ted. He spoke pretty much the whole way, and he puts things realistically. He's very, very harsh, but it's what you need, right? He tells you, nothing's good without hard work, and he's true, man. He talks about school. Stop dropping out of school to try and look like a cool guy. Just fucking do it, man. It's not hard, so just do it, boy. So AJ's closed bearish, very, very nice. Broken the lows already. This for me is a setup that I don't like, right? When it breaks the low, there's no bottom wick, and it's doing it in the first 30 seconds of the candle. It's just not a vibe. It's not a vibe at all. So yeah, I think that little move there might have been useful, getting in right there on the 5s. So you would have got the 9.5 pips pretty much straight away, and then retraced all the way back up, which would have been annoying. AJW, well done, man. So you got in on the break. You took the 4-hour flip. Oh wow. Ah, nice. So if you took the 4-hour flip, your stop loss above was only 11 pips. Fucking hell, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. How would you enter GJ sells? I'd wait for a closure, I'd wait for a top wick, and I'd wait for a drive. So I've already got everything I want planned, right? So something like this, right? So let's just say this candle comes down. Next one over here comes and closes below like this. Next one wicks up. Try and get a wick entry here with stop loss above the previous, or getting in on the flip. Then continue back down. Something like that. So I've already got exactly what I want to see. So it's just going to be a closure below. And there we go. Very simple. Very simple. So yeah. Did anyone take any? Actually, I think other people send me charts as well. GJ sell limit at 254 retest. Ooh, because you got the closure below that you wanted at 184. So you can have a sell limit. Where is it? 254. Yeah. Could be nice. Can you show your levels on gold? Yeah, there you go. Very simple. Max, you're not concerned about the support at 162.90-ish? Let's take a look. Here? Yeah, I am, but I know that when we're there, we'll have stop loss to break even and be closing 80%, so I'm not too bothered about that. 30 minutes also clean, really. So, yeah. I'm okay with that. Does anyone have any other ideas of getting into buys? Because for me, it's a little bit too hard, right? The zones are a little bit small here. Bad price action. So safer would be at 717. I think. Daily resistance on GJ. Yeah. Overall bullish, right? So it would be surprising if we actually did close below, but if it does, I'm still taking it. I think if it gets a nice rejection to the top. should be good. For the birthday boy, needs to get a nice trade, man. Doji on Awanda. Oh shit. Oh, is this right now for Oliver? That you want, like, you're warning him on, or for me below here? So yeah, it's very, very early though. It's only 20 past 7, so we've got a lot of time. Bri, have you taken any trades yet today?
Just that break or that close at entry now this morning.
Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. If you could only trade GJ or gold for the rest of your life, which would you choose? It'd have to be GJ.
Yeah. That's an easy answer.
GJ is very easy to do when you've done it for so long. I think gold would be as well, but I think gold takes a lot longer. GJ is very, very simple. And if you can get the right entry, you get pretty much 0 drawdown. Whereas gold, you always got to take a little bit of drawdown. I bought Magic Keys more than 1 week. Did not receive the email. What can I do? They don't reply my email. Oh shit, I have no idea, man.
I mailed them on Friday afternoon and I got an email back like Saturday evening, so they definitely replied.
Check your spam folder because there's a link in it and it might end up in your spam folder.
Yeah,
that was what happened to me. Always check your spam.
Yeah. And there you go, see, so the impulses and AJ like breaking the lows there. Even though it looks nice to continue, you know, it doesn't have a top wick, has to make one first. Yeah, not too good. So this example here is where I wouldn't be taking the retest. So retest is probably good there, 94.036. The reason why I'm not doing it is because we've already broken the low. We've pretty much tapped that support, so the price could be rejecting. So just be a little bit cautious on the retests. Gold zone. Are you looking at my chart? Here. For the buys above, I think the hourly. Yeah, let's look at the 4 hour. I mean, if you come above, then we're gonna come to there, which is okay. 1858.4. $1856.4. Very nice. How much are Magic Keys? Like 20 quid, 20 pounds, $29. I mean, hey Max, you gotta go before. Can you check the chart? Okay. Okay. I took these 2 trades. What do you think? AJ looking like it's the break of the low, stop loss above. Very nice. Looks like it worked nicely. Ooh, you didn't get 10 pips though, which kind of sucks. But yeah, nice. That should have been. Wait, did you close at break even here? What did you do? Need a bit more information here, because this could have gone 3 ways. You could have came into profit, put stop loss to break even, hit break even. You could have closed at 9 pips, or you could have lost 10 pips. So 3 different outcomes all on that one chart. Make sure they send me a bit more. Very nice. 50-minute closed above, break of the highs, looking nice. Worked nicely. I think the left hand side was a little bit risky there with that resistance, but worked out beautifully. That was pretty much a salary play as well, so yeah, worked out nicely. Very nice. Hey Max, did you private message me on Instagram? Nope. For AJ, I closed at 9 pips. Nice, very, very nice. How did you know to close there at 9 pips? It's interesting. I wonder if there's anything on the left. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Good work, good work. Let's take a look at Shab's charts. They're always pretty much perfect. Yeah, buys above 710 would be easy. Sells below 163048. Very nice. And then there we go. I think you could take maybe sells a little bit lower over here. I think this area is nice enough for sure. But very good. Looking like GJ struggling now, so it makes sense, right? That's the resistance here. Sorry, that's the little minus support. Yeah, it'll be a scam account, my man. There's loads of scam accounts, so just be careful. I'll never direct message you. I'll only message you if you're asking about their mentorship or I don't know about charts and stuff. I'll never DM you about anything, really. There's an account with your name has 11,000 followers messaging people on Instagram. Oh god, 11,000? What's the name of it? Oh god. I like your zone for buys, yeah. I agree, Sash. Let's take a look at the hourly. The only issue is the hourly resistance, but I mean if it closes above there, we're good, right? So, yeah. I agree. Stop loss matters. Okay, let's take a look over here. Let me switch my account. No searches for that. Where the fuck can I search that? Why does it say no results found? What the fuck? Oh, those no's there. That one's me. And there's this one. That one's on 6,000. 5,000. Yeah, I don't know where this other one is. Yeah, this one's only got 2,000, so... Look at his story. Love it when I have stories and shit. Thing is, is that a link? Is that actually a link? It's not even the link. He's literally just copied it. Let's take a look at the link tree. See, the link tree is actually mine. So I mean, he's just giving me more people. Fucking idiot. It's just he's messaging people, innit? Fucking retards. Maybe the other one banned you? No, because this is on my other account. I wouldn't know that. That's my account. Eland. I was at the beer fest and there was someone who was from South Africa there. I said I have a lot of friends in South Africa. Stop loses matter. Let's take a look. Stop lose. Ah. Oh yeah, it's this one.
Max, yesterday 2 new stop loss matter had followed me on Instagram.
Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Let's take a look over here. I think the best way to identify who's who is that mine over here doesn't follow that many people. Yeah. Look, mine 130. He follows it over 1,000, so that's the best way to tell. He also had a sausage dog, actually, the South African.
Of course, because they're the best.
Yeah. Doo-doo. Ooh, look at Goldie. Interesting. Let's look at the hourly. He has low likes. Yeah, you can see if they have. Yeah, they won't have as much likes as me as well. But I think the best way to do is just look how many they're following. So let's take a look then. The 30-minute time frame is closing bearish. The hourly time frame is pushing down. The 4-hour is bearish. The daily is made in the top wick. So we'll see. We'll see. How much would stops be in the previous right now? Oh, 14 pips. Not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So we'll see. Let me just take a look here. Looking like the charts this morning are actually pretty good, right? They're pretty clean. Like, you know where things are gonna be. Nothing too much to worry about. And it could come back up to the back down to the daily flip area, which would be interesting for us, I think. Let's take a look at the left hand side. Yeah, I like these cells. So we'll see. Gold looks cleaner, 1853. Yeah. Oh, it's got to close below though, boy. Nope. Look at GJ. Shit. Very nice. I mean, it kind of makes sense though, right? Because we've got a double bottom over here. It's big support area. Overall, GJ is bullish, so it's just getting into buys over here going to be a little bit harder because not the nicest zones. The nicest zones right now. Let's take a look at this 30. Ooh, 30 may be closing below anyway. Interesting. How much was you making per month before going full time? Well, there wasn't really how much I had to make because I was just finishing uni, so and I'm still at home, so I think I was making. Well, I was still on big ass lots after I left uni, so I mean tenfold of what I spend, to be honest. It's always been about tenfold. It still is now, to be honest with you. Yeah. So gold closed. 15 didn't. The 15 actually did close below. Some big wicks to the downside, and there's no top wicks. That's great. When did you start trading? When I was 17, which was a bad idea. Bad idea. So looking like GJ over here. Ooh, starting to continue bullish, which is nice. Flipping the 4 hour and the daily again. 8 pips on GJ. You are so aggressive. It actually hurts. Fucking class. Stop loss below. Where did you put your stops? You're like, I don't care about stops, boy. Very nice. And if you're getting in there, then it'll be a little bit easier for you guys when you continue bullish, maybe, which is good to see. That's okay to see. GJ, wow, yeah, a lot of volumes coming in, which is good. Start of the week. Oh shit, we're flying, boy. Do you ever swing? No. My runners will run for the whole day, but I'll never like hold positions on after the day and all that kind of stuff. There's no need, man. There's no need, boy. No need at all. Let me just do this here as well. There you go. So, looking like we're on some rocket fuel over here. You have a swing, wink, wink. Look at the 4 hour time frame now. The last one didn't break the low of the previous, making some bullish structure, which is good. Let's take a look at the daily, and the daily's flipping up, so looking good now. Looking good now. Looking like potentially we might get to 717 actually, which would be interesting. Which would be nice for us. How long left till 8 o'clock? Half an hour, which is nice. So yeah, we'll have to see. Bullish engulfing. Stop loss was on the previous 5, would have been okay. Wow, 30 pips already. Holy shit. We're rocking it, boy. Holy shit. Oh my god.
This thing is fucking going, mate.
Yeah, man. Damn, boy. Looking good, looking good. To come back to 164 would be tasty today. 164. Is it safe to buy with lots of chop? If you can get in at a nice price and put stop loss to break even, then for sure. Like, I mean, a lot of people in my group even just got in, breaking the highs here, using 5-minute stops. Yeah, very nice. FOREX can, you never enter any trade, just do commentary and our time gets wasted. Well, go anywhere else. I bet you right now, no one who's streaming right now is in a trade, so Maybe it's just you being impatient. FOREX Khan. You sound like a fucking Mr. Khan Academy English education teacher. Okay, so gold is reflipping over here. The 50-minute time frame is potentially going to be breaking the low of the previous. How much would your stops be in the previous right now? 16 pips. Yeah, that's not too bad. Not too bad. So if you get it on the break of the lows here, 1854.087, we could be good to continue bearish now. After it's made the top wick, I think I'm going to get in over here, guys, in this break of the lows, 048. Okay, so let me just get my thing on over here. Because stop loss above the previous is 14 pips. 1 second, let me just move this over here. That's a pretty nice stop. One second over here. My what's it called? My IC market is much different. My actual entry is going to be at 1854. Bang on 1854. Yeah, beautiful. Because the 30-minute now has made the top wick, which is very, very nice. Okay, I've been activated over here. Beautiful. To continue to the lows, boy. 1 second. When we start pushing over here, we start coming to these levels, I'm going to move my stop loss to 1854.9 over here. And we should be good to continue bearish. How does the hourly look now over here? Yeah, hourly's breaking previous hourly lows. So it should be good. So we'll see. Let's take a look at the 15 now. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good, boy. Let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. Rejecting very, very hard. So yeah, we should be good. Gold can make it. Yeah. Sure can. We'll have to see. Take a look at the 5-minute time frames now. Nice bearish closures. So yeah. Let me just move my stop loss over here. My stop loss is 1855. So now I'm going to move my stop loss over here. So move, 1 second, move stop loss. 1854.95. What is it on my terminal? 1850. 1854.93. Very nice. So now we shouldn't really come and break this high now. We should continue bearish over here. Did you enter the gold? Yep. Yes, sorry. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame over here. Yeah, I really want this to close bearish for me. Okay, we're pushing nicely over here now. Nice. A lot of volumes coming in, which is good to see. What lot do you lose on gold? 5 lot. 5 lot, boy. A lot of volumes coming in. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, nice. GJ, I love you, marry me. Marry me, boy. Come on, 5-minute boy. Close strong for me. I think if you guys want to give it a bit more room, the stop loss above there is still reasonable as well. For me, a nice 10 pip stop on gold is fucking not too shabby. 35 pips up on GJ, nice. Do 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 do. Very good. You from Newcastle, bro? Yeah, man. Yeah, boy. Stop saying boy. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I'm wondering if I want to keep it a little bit higher, a little bit. Yeah, because that's how much. 15 pips on the 15 over here. 5 minutes left. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stops higher a little bit more. I'm gonna wait in for this candle to close, I think. $18.55.6. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a bit more room. I want this 15 to close. Why the fuck can I not modify on screen, you motherfucker boy? Beautiful. So I've moved it a little bit higher over here. I'm going to give it a bit more room. I want this 50-minute to close bearish. If it closes bullish, I'm going to leave it. But I want to give it a little bit more room. Because I think the 30s, having 14 pip stops, 15 pip stops on the highs is worth it. No close below. Why didn't you take an entry? I mean, it did close below here. Also, the 30-minute close below. So we'll see GJ. Hopefully we can potentially still continue. So this candle over here closed a little bit of rejection. Let's look on the 15. Yeah. I'll give it this 15-minute time frame, and if not, I'm gonna close. Take a look at AJ, still not doing much yet, which is okay. How can I get the Zoom link? You gotta join the squad, my man. The link is everywhere. Yeah. Anik here. Oh, you're from Anik. Nice. Anik, jeez. Anik Castle boy.
You say you met some more South African legends this weekend, eh?
Yeah, sure did, man. Nice seeing them.
We're everywhere.
He didn't have a stronger accent compared to you. He said, "Yeah." He said, "I moved over here," and he said that I've lost a lot of the accent. When I go over now, they're all like, "Oh my god, you've lost your accent." Bless him. So, how long we got left? I still got 15 minutes. It's okay. That's okay. So, if this 50-minute candle closes bullish, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. AJ is a prime example of don't trade on a Friday. Ooh. AJ. Cape Town has voted the 9th most dangerous place to stay. Oh my god. No.
Shut up.
Is Finn in here? Finn.
Yo.
How is the kid Leroy? What the fuck?
Oh, don't even fucking start me, mate.
He just didn't turn
What
up.
a cockhead.
He just didn't turn up.
He was meant to start at 9 o'clock, and at 20 to 10, they put on a thing saying he is sick.
Could give you a bit more warning.
What a fucking cockhead.
Yeah.
And he went out and got poleaxed the night before.
Really?
Apparently.
Oof. That's
What
not
does that mean?
Means he went out and got drunk the night before at a club in Melbourne.
Yeah, he's just hanging out of his ass pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, he didn't do the night after either.
Well, and he cancelled his Adelaide show as well and moved it.
Shit, my guy just went for a holiday and you guys paid for it.
Said he got proper flu or something.
Nah, he's bullshit. I don't believe it.
Are you rescheduled for this weekend?
Yeah.
Wait, you got it this weekend now?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I hope he does it again.
I don't.
Right, so now I'm going to move it because now the 50-minute time frame is closing bearish, so I'm going to put my stops above the current 15. So beautiful, nice 10 pip loss if that continues. Still valid sell? Yep, let's take a look at the 5-minute. I really want this 5-minute to close bearish. Close weak bullish. 50-minute close bearish, so a 10 pip loss for me and gold is 0.7, 0.6. That's 0.7 is not too bad for me. And I think the zone that we're coming into is tasty, so. Let's take a look. Yeah, look at AJ now. Oof. It's like, bro. Do you think GJ going down? Nope. Not at all. In fact, I think GJ is going to go up. That's what I think. I think GJ is going to go up, up, and up. Let's take a look at AJ. Yeah. Coming to a London Open though in 50 minutes time, so that should be good to give it a bit of volume over here. I'm hoping this gold can start running before London Open, so I can have break even. Stops to be at the London Open. Look at the 5-minute now. Yeah, broken the low of the previous 5. Yeah, I think that question of do you think GJ is going to go down? If you don't know where it's going to go, then it's probably not the best for you. Break and retest in the 5. Yeah. Oh, yes. It's got to just push it, boy. Take profit? Question mark. I'm going to be putting stops to break even 10 pips and seeing how far we can push over here. But 1853 would be nice for me, I think. Today is London banks open? Yes. Finally. Finally. Oh yes. Let's look at this 5-minute. Okay. So I think I'm going to move my stops even lower now to here. 1854.7. Shouldn't come and break that high. It's actually 7.3. So all I'm doing over here is gradually, when things aren't going my way, as in pushing off nicely, I've got to manage risk, right? So what I always try and tell people is focus on the drawdown. Okay? Focus on taking the smallest loss you could possibly take. And that's how you get the really, really good R to R. Okay? So now, if I take this loss, I've lost 6 pips. So a 6 pip stop is fucking not too shabby if you ask me. Are you on a sell or you got stopped out? Bro, look at the chart. Fucking hell.
Jeez.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. It's the gulag. It's a fucking gulag, alright. Damn. Let's take a look here. So yeah, we'll see. 5-minute closing again. If this closes bullish, ain't looking too good. This one should theoretically start pushing down, boy. It is just a bit earlier, right? I mean, maybe gold a bit early. Yeah, it's just GJ's been looking so nicely recently in the early parts of the day. I still think gold is going to continue down. It's just for me, I don't want the drawdown, especially towards 8 o'clock when we get a nice top wick. The top wick can be pretty aggressive, so a 6 pip stop on gold is all you want, man. That's how you sleep easy. A 40 pip stop on gold? Hell no. Gold fucking about, yeah. Oh yes. I think gold is going to go down. It's just a little bit slow. Yeah. Well, if it doesn't now, we're good. So 5-minute close bearish, thank fuck for that, right? So we should be okay now. If it breaks below the previous, we continue down. We'll see. Jesus to save us. Wait, what? So at that wick here, I'm gonna put break even because now I've got data showing me to the left hand side when price comes to this level it's rejected before. So why would I then keep it on, right? You get me? Oh, Brian, you're running to stay on.
Yeah, I'm still at entry, the runner. I don't trail my entry.
Yeah. Well, if you can break out that zone, then it's got a good level to hold it on for sure.
Yeah.
Come on, Goldie, you dickwad. Will no confidence vote on Boris Coach GJ to sell? Potentially. Yeah, that could be a potential, to be honest. Yeah, very much so. Come on, Goldie, stop. Get some volume in, bitch. Get some volume in, bitch. Stop playing with me. Oh my god, it's like fucking 2 pips in profit. Hurry the fuck up. When is London open on FOREX? In 8 minutes time. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 1.8 spreads. Oof. 1.8 spreads is nasty. Mine's tight right now. It's tight. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah. You gotta run 30-minute. You gotta run, boy. 370 people here. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We'll take a look at GG very, very shortly as well when this gold fucking finishes. But looking like GG is just still coming back in the zone. Right. Okay, so let's take a look over here. 5 minutes, still coming back up in this level again. I think right now, guys, I may close at break even if this doesn't push in the next seconds. Yeah. Let's drop down the lower time frames. How long left? A minute left for this. Yeah.
My entry was 1-2 pips lower than yours.
Yeah.
I close everything. I was thinking what Brian saying, when I'm 2-3 pips in drawdown, I close everything.
Yeah, exactly. For sure. It's a good way to do it.
Yeah.
Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Ahmed, this guy is on someone today. There is no volume. Yes, I know, you fucking dickwad. You should close it. Well, in a couple of seconds, I'm going to put to break even and just hope it continues. Yeah, I'm going to put it at break even now, guys. Stop loss to break even. Hope price can continue. If it doesn't, that's great. It should do now. But I'm going to leave it over here. See if we can continue bearish. Boom, 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 boom. I just put break even, yeah. Let me just mark these up as well. So yeah. So we'll see. 80% of the time Monday will continue slow grind trend. Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Sashin, my boy. I'm on a GJ sell. Ooh, be a little bit careful of the sell, my man. Be a little bit careful.
Happy birthday to Sachin.
Yeah, happy birthday, my man. Shout out Sashin's birthday. So there we're coming towards filling this wick, so definitely break even now, squad. Broken the low of the previous 15, should continue down over here. People in chat need to practice looking and listening better so they'll know exactly when Max takes a trade in Tesla. If this is on, then I'm in a trade. When it's off, it's when I'm off the trade. So just use your eyes and use a bit of common sense, and you guys will get it. You guys will get it. Come on, Goldie. Absolute W risk management though for me. So there we go. You know, if it comes back to this wick, you can't just hold the trade on it still. Like, it's got rejection wicks already. So no, no, no. Max, do you have an MQL5 copy account? No, no, not yet. I do not. Stay in, please. And we're out. We're out. But what's worth it? Beautiful risk management for me. So let me do this over here. Gold. Break even. This one over here. Gave it well enough time for that. It just couldn't continue. Beautiful. But can you see though, the whole time I was focusing on how to get out the trade, how to manage my risk. Break even hit. And that's all you gotta do. So from a 15 pip, 16 pip stop to a 10 pip stop to then a 6 pip stop. That's what you gotta do. Okay, so GJ's coming back up over here. Reflipping the 50-minute time frame. Stop loss would be 14 pips in the flip. A minute left for the 8 o'clock to close. Very interesting. Very, very nice. Look at the hourly time frame. 4 hours looking good. Yeah. Nice risk management. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Yeah. Well, it's struggling, right? It should have done this by now, so it looks to me like it's, yeah, really struggling. But it was nice. Closure below, 30 minute as well. Breaking. Nice top wick as well. Let's take a look at how you could have got in the top wick. Yeah, you could have got in here. Yeah. Very slow market. Yeah, it's just early, right? It's early doors for the week. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We should be ready for London Open. GJ over here's flipped. I'm going to look for buys with 717, maybe the next 50-minute candle, hopefully. But yeah, looking like gold's really, really struggling. AJ's looking like a bit of a mess now, to be honest, so let's just focus on GJ, I think. Okay, 50-minute on GJ closed doji. Look at Goldie now. Goldie's giving that drive, maybe. Still look at the 15. Look at them wicks. These wicks, for me, would be scary as fuck. Very, very scary. Look at what the hourly's doing now, making the lower wick to then potentially continue bullish over here. Look at the 5 minutes. Oh, I would not be in gold sells right now, guys. I repeat. The rejection there is hard. Very, very nice. 50-minute breaking highs are previous. Do you think the problem was without top wick? What? There was loads of top wicks, my man. Okay, GJ coming over here, breaking the high of the previous 50-minute time frame. Very, very interesting. I'm just going to wait a little bit higher over here to 717. Did you run a stay in, Bri?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you're going down there, yeah. Fuck.
Yeah, la. Thing's stinking. This thing is stinking.
Bloody gorgeous. So yeah, we'll see. But let's take a look at how the higher time frames are. You know, if this was the 50-minute time frame, you know, prices came up, made a high, came back down, made some support, rejection wicks, then continue bullish. So that daily wick fill should be filled soon. Yeah, you just got to trigger it, man. If you want it like that, for sure. I mean, the stops, 7 pips. 7 pipperoonies. 388 people in here. Fuck. Wow, so many people. Shit, boy. Very, very nice. Let's take a look who's streaming today as well, right? Let's take a look who else is. Let's take a look who we got. Look at that, the squads. Got Dr. Dollar on the building. Let's take a look at what Dr. Dollar's doing. Oh, Dr. Dollar just got hit out on a goalie over here. Closed half though, nice, but yeah. So there you go. So getting hit over here on the Goldie. So similar kind of trade as me, but just for me, my stops are a lot smaller. Let's take a look at DC over here. DC in the building. Go follow this guy. He's so class. I don't know why he's got 110. He should have more than fucking most people, to be honest. And then Mr. Savage over here. I don't know if he's actually taking any trades. Oh, I think he might have got the same as you, Bri, on the 5 minute.
You Savage?
A little bit lower. Ah, no, you got in there, actually. Yeah, you got a little bit higher up.
Yeah.
Yeah. The squad. Look at that, Goldie. Ho ho! So my risk management for me, tasty. Tasty. So now buys above. I'm looking for buys above as well on gold. I think that's going to be nice. I think Sash is also looking at that. Nice closure, nice little wick. I think that would be good because now the 4 hours flipping bullish again. If it breaks the high of the previous, should be continuing bullish. Oh yeah. Why are you trading GJ when Tokyo session has just closed? Why not What? Why would you want both markets to be open? When one of them is closed and one of them is open, you only have to look at one pair of news. GBP, Euro is, and also they're both not open. Euro's closed today, so just check your Forex factory before you ask questions. Thank you very much. If you look over here, Euro bank holidays, you've got two of them. Two of the main ones, French and German. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see. Nice closure above 717 is going to be looking good. Did you break even? Yes, brother. Come on, man. You need to focus a little bit more, Ahmed. Either you're blind or fucking deaf. Either you're fucking blind or deaf. Literally went through it stage by stage. Actually, check this out. Let's take a look over here. Max, remember I was telling you about this candle? Oh, the doji again, yeah. You got it on the flip, stop loss below. How big was your stop there? 367. Oh, kind of beefy stops. 20 pips. Nice, though. Back to that resistance.
I think it's 14.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. Boy,
Yeah,
don't... someone goes, boy, don't swear, okay?
Oh, yeah. It's the police on a Monday morning, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
5 minutes was nice on GJ.
Let's take a look. Yeah, support performance. The taste.
With closure back in the range.
Yeah. It was nice, boy. So, where would the retest be in this? It would be here. It's 642 if this candle closes. That's why I'll be taking a buy. 642, where would this stop loss be? 642. 10 pips at 537. Ho! So retest could be nice here. Maybe. 4 hours coming to that 4 hour resistance, but if we get a closure above, should be good. Health and beauty. Trash trade. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Lol, off this stream. This person's called Health and Beauty. What a fucking gimp. So... yeah, that was tasty. Getting in on the doji. Okay, okay. Oh, look at gold retracement. Very nice. What happened to Milan? I don't know. I think Milan is turning into a monk.
Monk.
Let's take a look over here. Wow, he got on the retest on the 5 minute. That was tasty. That was beautiful. Hey, I tell you what, the retests. I think a lot of people over here in the group with the retests have been, putting them in very, very quickly because they're not hard, are they? Like they're very simple, like of how they're working. So it's good. Everyone go to Raja Banks' stream, much better. Okay, let me just go to Raja Banks' stream over here. Okay, so... oh, Raja Banks isn't streaming, so... and the funny thing is that I learned from Raja, so yeah, great.
Yeah, go to Raja on NFP.
Yeah, go Raja. Yeah.
Yeah, negative 28 pips.
I watched Health and Beauty stream last week. Now I look like Shrek. Oh god. Some people have some hatred, man. But to be fair, if I was doing Health and Beauty at fucking university, I'd also have some issues. So. So yeah, 6 minutes left for this closure. Wow, look at that retracement. Let's look at the 5. Yeah, I mean, why is it having maybe a bit of issues here? Someone tell me why. Take a look at your charts. Take a look why. Maybe it's struggling at that level. Maybe. Swap with the gold trade. Gold went to like 8 pips profit, and then there was a push stop loss to break even and couldn't continue. What's up with GG Max? It's 4 hour resistance. Beautiful, Joe. That's what I wanted to hear. Yeah, 4 hour resistance. So gotta be a little bit cautious there. Very nice. I like how the sex site spammers are getting more in line with the streams than cheaper sister. Oh my god, Brian. Holy shit.
What's that? What did he say?
I don't even know. It's just this Brian guy. He always fucking goes on and just spouts absolute shit. It's great. Check your internet connection. Yeah, it'll get back. It'll get better. Don't worry about it. Oh, look at Goldie now. So look at the hourly time frame. Did it break the hourly highs? Yeah, it did. So that was freaky Goldie on the morning over here. So 5 minutes left for this closure. Probably gonna have to wait for the 30-minute. Yeah, don't go for the 30-minute. Yeah, we'll have to wait for that. 102 likes already. Amazing work. So yeah, the homework's going to be put out today. More about zones. People who are new into the chat, make sure before you're looking at the homework, go through the zones webinar here, and then you'll get what we're actually doing with the zones. And yeah. Yeah. That was fucking nice in the fives. Helicopter. GJ buys of a 163-700 looking tasty. Yeah. Yeah. But you got to be a little bit cautious as well for the fact that it is big 4-hour resistance, right? So if you don't get a closure, if you take impulses here, you got to be cautious. And there we go, looking like Goldie's coming back down now, but I should have done that a long time ago, and it really struggled. Clean zone to the daily flip, 1851. So yeah. So the health and beauty goes living in his parents' basement. Fucking hell, basement? I'm not that much of a gimp. Fuck, I'm not being demoted to the basement. Holy shit. Wow, look at that rejection on GJ. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy crap.
Soup.
Soup. Where would I want the soup? Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah. I would want at least a 30-minute to close bearish, I think. Okay, second floor then, wow, big boy. What the this person, I don't believe it's a fucking woman. I think it's a little troller over here.
Probably some troll outside at home in its mum's basement with no better to do.
All streamers still live with their folks. Well, I just finished uni. I've just bought a rental property and I'm moving to Leeds in about 3 weeks. So, but whatever you want to say, I don't mind sitting in my house here. It's pretty nice, you know. We've got loads of space. But instead of being stupid and spending all my rent, I've just saved up for about 8 months, 10 months after uni, and now I've bought myself a rental house. So maybe taking some advice off me might actually help. Are you going to rent Leeds? Yeah. So I'm using the rental income from my rental property that I just bought to pay for the rent in Leeds. And now basically I can live wherever I want for free, pretty much. So.
Have you got a tenant in already?
Yep. Straight away, man. I mean, it's
Nice.
There's about 12 or 13 people waiting for it, and you have to sit outside, and they all come in, and you have to pick which one. It's quite fun. Took buy when GJ Prius 50-minute highs hit break even after 9.5 pips. Thought it would break through London Open. Would you have closed at a percentage at the 4-hour res or took a break even? I would have closed to 100%. Well, 80% there, yeah, for sure. If you're at 9.5 pips and you're at the resistance in the 4-hour time frame, just close it, man. Yeah. Big res. Wow, look at gold. Holy fuck. So looking like the entry today was probably based on the 50-minute close bullish engulfing. You know, after, you know, price made a low over here. So here, there. Double bottom. Nice little support forming to make higher highs.
Yeah.
So the only thing for me is the lower wick on the 5s. You just got to take it. I suppose that 5-minute candle here, when that one opened, wait, was that 30? Oh no, it was here straight away. I should just stop there. 5 pips. Yeah. We worked out nicely.
Check your YouTube chat. The Zamelik guy.
I live in my parents' basement. There's nothing wrong with that. And pictures of my ex plastered on my wall with a map of her recent locations. Oh,
that's quality.
God. Gold analysis. Okay, let's take a look over here. Exactly, man. So when you see that, when you make that little face, you gotta go, right, that's time for me to maybe leave it alone. Got a break even though GJ Bride didn't like how the 5-minute was moving, so I exited. Beautiful work, man. Really good risk management people are doing today. So 50-minute closed bullish, but it's still closed bullish above the 517, so you know I still wouldn't be risking it to take in sells yet. Still in this area, we'll have to see. My god, these comments, they're great. My fucking god. My days. So yeah, last week when we took 2 trades, we went actually through all the opportunities in GJ, and there was some nice ones, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, beautiful. 4% last week was nice. The week before as well was not too bad as well. I think I made it maybe about 4% as well. So looking nicely. Darth Maul wick on gold. Yeah, that is a bit of a Darth Maul wig. Yes, finally there's some Star Wars shit. Look what I've just found out of my wardrobe. I'm gonna start getting them me. I'm gonna start making my man cave. But the first one I got when I was little, the only issue is I've lost the fucking lightsaber for him. But let's take a look over here. So I got a fucking an Obi-Wan Kenobi. Look at that shit. That is the nerdiest thing you'll see all day. But yeah, I got all that, and I want to get the hot toys. Anyone know about these? Look how expensive these things are.
You're having a moment to get back.
Yeah. Look at that. Fuck, look at that Venom one. 430 quid. Oh, fuck yeah. What's that? 10
pricey, eh?
10 pips on gold? Yeah, but look at that shit. It'd be like, it's completely like hand fucking crafted, man. Look at this shit.
Yeah,
oh my god, look at that. You can fucking play monthly for it and shit. Oh my god, imagine.
Very, very cuck.
Yeah. Oh yes. Wow, that Venom one looks pretty cool actually. Nah, I want a Darth Vader one, me. It's the one I want to get first. That Batman one looks pretty good actually. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Yeah, like that's 600 quid.
What the hell? Why are they so expensive?
Yeah, I don't know. They're like 1-to-1, like complete replicas. They're all like metal and shit. But I mean, yeah, they are expensive. They are pretty expensive. But they sell out. Like the ones that the ones that people wanting like sell out. Let's take a look. Hot Toys Darth Vader one. Pretty expensive. Yeah, it's like 400 quid. 400 quid. Yeah, it's the nerdiest thing possible, but it's good shit. Good shit, man. I also want like the lightsabers as well, like the proper like. I want like it when you come into the room. There's a little middle bit with all the lightsabers in. Obi looks like he's doing ballet without the lightsaber. Max, could you see my L? Okay, let's take a look over here. Entry at the retest. Yeah, I know, but bro, the same thing again. First of all, I can't see the retest, right? I think the retest for me. The retest. The retest for me would be a sell, and the retest would be there. Yeah, it'd be getting into a sell there.
Yeah, so you got to look like if you're looking at the chart, you got downtrend, right?
Yeah.
You've left this zone. This is just a correction to go down, right? So you should be entering there, not going for the buyers north.
Yeah.
To long until you break this structure high, and then you get something like that. Then it's worth it.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah.
But also, you need to put the red and green. Yeah, put the red and green thing exactly where you got in.
Is it there? Because yeah, exactly.
No, I'm just saying like that's what he needs to do because it's not clear where he actually entered.
I think he got in like there. So after that green candle, when this kind of came down like there, I think.
Okay, he took a buy there, and then just got slaughtered.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because earlier on, I thought he took the buys here, and I was like, surely you'll break even up here, right?
Yeah.
And because you wouldn't take the L there, but it's.
Yeah, so the retest on here, the overall trend is completely the opposite way. So it's actually the inverse. It's getting on the retest there to then continue down to the lows. Yeah.
You can also see as well this bearish candle broke structure here.
Yeah.
So
it's
you're
the
looking
closure
at
and it's the top wick up. Yeah.
So be like it's like that. There's the structure break.
Yeah.
And then you're looking for the retest there to then continue down.
Yeah. We'll go through it this week. I'm gonna do a webinar on it myself, just to show you. Just to put in our entries, because it's all it is our entries, right? It's all of the entries that we take, especially the closures below and above, etc. It's just a little bit higher up in the entry. So it's the same structure from getting in the trade. It's the same, it's the same like thing. Like when Sashin looks for a trade, when I look for a trade, especially in the 15 and the 30, it's the same trade we're going for. It's just getting in a bit earlier. But you've got to be able to know which trade that is, Coming from the guy who's taking self-advice on Jiu-Jitsu today. That's great. That's great. Let's take a look then. Who else? Let's see who else is anyone doing today. Oh, dollar's back in the cells again. Oh.
Scott sent a picture of dollar earlier. It's funny as fuck.
What?
He's got the glasses on. He's like chilling out.
Yeah. My guy looks fucking stoned as shit.
Yeah.
Max, you are so handsome.
Hey.
Gay. They're not wrong. It's also someone called Katerina, so it might be a girl. So.
Last name is great.
Oh yeah, hell keep me, for fuck's sake. Look at my fucking face right now. Look how burnt I am. Oh my god, I got absolutely torched on the beer fest.
Big piss up.
Yeah, it was a big piss up, man. I bought 60 tokens. So 60 tokens is 30 half pints, and I think I gave away maybe 5 or 6. I had like
30 half pints. Jesus.
Yeah. And you go and taste them all, so it's not even like drinking the same thing. I wasn't even that hungover though, which is retarded.
In the in Oktoberfest, they give you glucose powder on the table.
No way.
Yeah, they just like rack it up, and you can just snort glucose powder. Keeps you alive when you're drinking.
Someone says you look clumsy, man. What the fuck? Clumsy? What the fuck do you not look like? Ask her if she's into gold. So yeah, looking like it's chilling right now. I mean, gold is doing some next level shit over here. Yeah, we'll have to see what the score is. I mean, 30 minutes still bearish, but damn, 30 minutes broken the highs and the lows. Look at the 15 now. 15s have all closed bearish, which is quite funny. 1852.7 could be okay. Right. Okay, of course I'm a girl. I'm from Croatia. Oh, nice. Croatia, very nice. There you go. See, he wasn't gay. There's a girl telling me that. Croatia. Oh, I can't wait to go on holiday now, man. Get the dad bod out. Oh yes. Can't wait. Can't wait. So yeah, it looks like Boris is facing the no confidence vote. That's going to be interesting today. Is it today they're doing it? I've just got a thing on my phone. Maybe. Maybe. Right, I'm actually sick of these songs. I'm gonna play one song. Because if I play too many songs that are from Spotify, it just blocks my whole stream. It's like, what the fuck, man? Let me just play the music in peace. Do you know what I find funny about it? Every time you play a song on there, half the chat goes, "Oh, what's this song called?" I was like, bro, I'm literally advertising. This is bullshit. Let's play a little vibey song over here. An NY session a couple of days ago, and like everyone was like fucking game, like all ages, a full fucking group. I was expecting Ron to go, "Fuck yeah, I'll come."
I imagine.
Ronnie boy, he's like 70, bless him.
His message was so good.
Yeah.
Like full caps lock. I love it.
Yeah. Bless him. Goldie over here. 5 minutes close, solidly bearish. Should continue down now, but fuck me. It took a while. How much drawdown?
15's closing out. 30 as well.
Yeah. Is GJ gonna get the close yet? Max, do NY session for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, because controller's not doing it. Nah, I'll do it privately with the group. I'll let people, because there's no point in me jumping on and all the other NY streamers, you know, with Lindsay and stuff. They've got Lindsay. Oh shit, let me put this shitty back on now. So, 40 seconds left. It doesn't look like it's gonna get a closure. Oh shit, it might. Gold cells? Yep. They're just taking a very, very long time. Very, very long time. Stop loss between stop loss above the previous is 19 pips. Let's take a look at the 4-hour looks now. Let's take a look how these closed over here. My only issue is it should have done it fucking ages ago. Why has it not done it yet? It's been taking so long. I like Lindsay, she's chill. Yeah, Lindsay's chill. I feel stoned when I'm on Lindsay's stream, man. She's just a vibe. So, 30-minute time frame closed bearish. Doesn't have a top wick yet. Interesting. I break the lows. GJ didn't close above. GJ did not close above yet, which sucks. 30-minute closed bullish. Very, very strongly bullish as well, which is nice. But, yeah, nothing yet. Gold is suspiciously slow. Yeah, that's what makes me kind of just go, you know what? I tried it once. Oh, that was nice. Tried it once, and now it's fucking around. I'd rather just let it be. Rather just let it be. Should have done that about an hour ago. Why many Forex live streamers can't show their terminal except Raja? People just don't feel comfortable with it, or, you know, Raja didn't for 3 years. You need to remember that. Raja didn't show his terminal for 3 years, so.
The thing I don't get is, in the end, it kind of doesn't really matter, because if you can see consistently that someone is on a stream and they're making decisions and they're correct or wrong, like,
I know.
you know whether they're a good trader or not. Like, you don't need to see someone's terminal.
Exactly. Like, if you're trading live, it doesn't matter what. If you're saying you're getting into a sell here, I don't give a fuck if he's not even taking the trade. He's still putting out there that he's taking the sell there. Yes, in one random world, he could have zero money and he's just fucking bullshitting and he's just wanting to buy his thing and he's got no money in his thing. But realistically, if they're gonna fucking be good at trading anyway and do it live, why would they lie?
And the whole world has seen him take 50 grand or whatever to $1 million. So why does he have to keep showing money? He's done it.
Yeah.
You've seen it once.
Yeah. Exactly. It's funny that it's like, you don't show a live terminal. I've been trading since September. Every single stream is live on the fucking Strach. Go and have a look. Some people want that extra confirmation, I suppose. It's like, well, the one thing that you shouldn't do is go to a streamer or ask for help for not a streamer, a trader who's just solely on Instagram and doesn't trade live. Don't trade live. It's fucking not even worth the time.
Yeah, but it's like asking someone how much money they have in their bank account.
Yeah.
It's a very personal question. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Maybe they want to keep their dollar private. Not everyone wants to show when they deposit or withdraw. I mean, even so for just like the fucking tax thing, that if you've got your whole terminal up and see how much you're withdrawing, and you know they can see that, you know, it's better to just trade. I mean, the people that actually care about that stuff are normally just dickwads anyway. So, you know, it's just a very small minority of people. Plus, it ain't your damn business. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Spot on.
Okay, so still continuing up, but it's just a big level of resistance, so I don't want to be rushing into this, you know. Higher the better, to be honest. For moi. Let's take a look then on dollar, because the dollar got back in. This is interesting to see. So, it looked like it pushed down. So I think he took the L before on that one, and now he's re-entered, which is fair enough, giving the trade a second chance. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. And he's got, he's going to break even now, so he doesn't really care. That's great. There you go, that's someone who maybe has a little bit bigger stops, so his stops were like 25 pips, so he's trying to aim for 25, yeah. So, always remember that, you know, find what your medium is. So if you've got a bigger stop, your TP for 1-to-1 is a lot bigger as well, so you got to be in the trades for a lot longer. And then vice versa for the smaller stops. Smaller stops give it less room. Normally in the trade for a lot less time. Yeah. Noobs are so interested in others' accounts. Yeah. I never once cared about when I just don't when I think about the other stuff though. I just try and think of what I did when I was there. And I never once gave a fuck about Raj's account when he was younger. He used to talk about it every so often. I didn't care less. I just liked how every single day he turned up and took his 10 pips and then fucked off. It was great. I think people really try and focus on the things that aren't important. Bought my stop loss up to break even when I was in profit and was stopped out. Was that because of the spread? What trade did you take, my man? Make sure you send me a chart, I'll take a look. But I have no idea what chart you took. Yeah, trade you took. Just take a look, I haven't looked in here for a while. Do you know what I find it in here? Now, this is good, there are actually some chart zones, but I think Ted was talking about it last week, about getting in the process of talking about your losses. Like, if you see over here, like, everyone just talk about their wins, and it's just giving you a false representative that everyone's taking wins and they're not taking L's. Which is completely true. Like, you know, it's gonna be completely false. They're all taking fucking L's.
Brian only takes wins.
Yeah. No, basically what happens with Brian is when he takes an L, his mic doesn't work, so he's muted. He goes silent.
Asshole.
Look at that goal retracement, man. So, yeah. For me, the warning signs are already there for that gold. I'm not re-entering again. I only say re-entering a trade is only possible when it was your fault for the entry. So when you've got a bad entry and you're like, oh fuck, I should have just waited a little bit longer. Now let me go and re-enter. If you've got a nice entry, you're happy with it, your stop was good, your zone was good, and it didn't work out, it's probably the chart and not you. So I always stand by that. So for me now, if you start dragging something down, you'll probably see as well. Let me just drag this down. Yeah, this is the new zone now. I feel like dollar must have got a break even over here, or nearly, I think. Just take a look. Yeah. Straight back up. So I always say that if you're trying to re-enter, make sure it was your fault for your entry maybe was a bit early or whatever. I might split, you know. Yeah. Raj's account growth made me more confident. If you can do it, I can do it. Just have to stay consistent and thinking long term. Exactly. Exactly. So gold coming back up, really holding this level of support now, which is mad. Very nice. Yeah, Brian's got a new mic. He sounds crisp. Much better. Much better, I tell you. Let's take a look here. I wonder how Naz is doing. Guys, just never journal your losses, then you stay a winner. Have you tried funding? I use funding talent to get to gain a lot of my capital, but I haven't used them too yet. Did you see though what Ted said, which is kind of basically what I think me and Brian were basically speaking about? He's basically saying, you know, not everyone's perfect. You're gonna have hard months, and he says that you can put all that effort in and work in, and you have one bad week or one bad month, and now you've lost everything. That for me was the thing. I got that. Apparently, he was getting absolutely bombarded with loads of people going, "Ah, fuck you, Ted. Oh, you suck. Like, you know, you're just an old man. You don't get it."
Jeez.
If you can do it, then that's amazing. But for me, I mean, you know, I do have weeks where it's not as good and stuff. And Ted even always says like sometimes he'll risk a bit more, and you won't be allowed to do that there. So it's all down to you. If you can stay with the parameters, then you're good. I think for me personally, if I were to use one, this is what I would do, and this is why I probably don't do it now. My account's already big enough for me to live off the account that I've got right now, right? Substantially. So if I took that, the only reason why I'd go funding is to get funded for a couple months, 6-7 months, build up capital, whack it in my bank, and then trade my live. But I've already got the capital, so why would I do it? That's the thing that I say. But for people who can really stick to the rules and are happy and they can, you know, they're consistent every week, then go for it for sure. Oh my god, what? I just don't get the fucking naked HD thing on stream. What are they meant to do? Like, do people just, are people that dumb they just go and click on them links? Okay, so yeah, looking like GJ is really still. So probably, I mean, when it comes to around 9 o'clock or 9:15, we'll have to wait. How long left for this 4 hour to close? Yeah, another hour left. So an hour and 18 minutes. Closure above that 4 hour is going to be a very, very nice NY session for sure. He's always spamming DVS stream as well, proper annoying, yeah. But Ted was also implying that the funded programs are scammy. Well, no, the basis of it is a little bit immoral, and that was actually quite good of what he said as well. So he got approached by people to do it on their broker, and they said, "Oh, we'll give you clients and stuff and all that kind of stuff." And he asked how it worked, and they go, "Oh, we have a bit of buffer at the start to get us up running, but they don't have like a proper infrastructure." So then Ted goes, "Well, why couldn't I just make one myself then? You need like 400k to buffer until everyone starts losing, and then you're good." Like, there was nothing behind it. But that's nice that I actually rate for Ted for that. He actually hasn't gone, because it looks like Raja might be. That's maybe why Ted may be moving on to controller stream, I don't know. But yeah, he wasn't happy with it. That's so funny. After you've blown your account, you go to the fucking jerking thing. You need to fucking beat your meat. That's why they're here. They're looking for the people that have just blown their account and need to fucking have a wank. That's great. I was thinking, like, you don't see them on any other streams. It's definitely just traders who are fucking stressed out their mind because they've just blown off their account and they need a fucking fat wank. That's great. Okay, 50-minute time frame's closing bearish, so yeah, it's just made its new zone now, right? From 517 to 717, so 20 pip zone. 20 pip zone. Why not copy over trades from your live account to the funded one? Yeah, that's the only way I'd probably do it. For sure. Do you have to keep on changing your account though? So if you hit the 10%, then do they give you a new one for 4%, or is it the same one? I can't be asked this fucking...
What was that?
So someone's saying you can copy your trades from your live one to your funded one, which is true, and I could do that. But if you're hitting like 10% for the stage 1 or whatever, Does the next stage of phase 2, stage 2, sorry, is it a new account or is it the same one?
Yeah, new account.
New accounts. You have to like keep on changing it. Yeah. That's fair. Do you trade between 9:30 and 12 between sessions when volume could be less? No, I don't trade really. Unless there's 1 or 2 setups. There's 1 or 2 setups every month. That's not too bad. At maybe 10 o'clock. But apart from that, not really. Normally it's a lot less. It's not worth it. Yeah, you get a new account. His bones about the chat, yeah. But once you've funded this is the same account, yeah. Oh my god, gold trying again, holy shit. So this now would be a no-go. It might work out eventually, but fuck me, it's taking its bloody time. AJ's pushing up over here, with me on GJ may continue. Let's take a look. So 50-minute time frame is actually going to keep closing bullish. Interesting. So probably going to have to wait now for the hourly to close. Oh, for fuck's sake. Why don't you trade in Asia? Because you are Chinese.
Joke's getting old now.
Fuck's sake. Exactly. Wix9 actually said that I'm from somewhere. Where was it? Yeah, I need to check back on the stream. Right, I'm going to quickly go to the toilet. It'll be 2 minutes. Wait for this closure. Good morning, all new music. What? There's some music, a little bit. Might be a bit too low for you guys. Maybe. There you go. Looking good now. To continue to look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, hopefully a nice hourly closure. 11 minutes left. It may just run off over here. Still look at the 5 minute. Very nice. Look at AJ coming back in that zone. So how big is this zone? 25 pips. Nice. He is Greek, not Chinese. You guys are crazy, man. So, We'll see. So let me just take a look at the retest. Where I want the retest if we got in a little bit lower. Be back to 678. It's pretty close to the 15. It's pretty close to. So yeah, we'll see. Wait for this closure. 10 minutes time. Boom, boom, boom. We'll see. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Looking good, looking good. Looking good to continue, hopefully. Where would you want the retest? Probably back at 711. Stop loss below. Yeah. Yep. Right at that resistance where these wicks are. I think that's what I'd want. Personally. Think so, I think so. Max, look at the doji again. Okay, this one? Yeah, wow, another one. You've been seeing that a lot recently, haven't you? And then the break of the highs of the doge. Did you take a trade during stream as I wasn't here because I was at school? Yeah, I took a gold break-even trade. Break-even. Break-even trade. Finally, gold's continued. Yeah, it was a gold closure below, but it just took so long. Oh my god, will this guy fuck off?
Naked HD.
Fucking hell, on one today, like every fucking 2 seconds. Like, please. Relax, boy. Brian, you still smiling with me on GJ? Yeah. All smiling. All smiling. Wow, looks like it's shot. All your pairs have flipped on the daily, probably more bullish action throughout the day. Nice. Will you put a buy limit there or wait for the hourly candle? For me, it's pushed too much in this zone now. Yeah. And there we go. Beautiful. Flown up. Rocket. 164. Very, very nice. So yeah, I mean, 5 minute there, maybe in the breaks. How much stops being there? 15 pips. 15 pipperoonies. You said that your max offer GJ is 12 pips. So if the candle is more than 12 pips, will you still take a trade? Nope. Nope. DC got it. Yeah, I think DC would have got it on maybe the 5, maybe. Look at wow, look at a lot of volumes coming in over here. Shit, it's because Boris is getting rinsed. Look at AJ as well. Right, let me just move this down over here for some more. Look at that rocket. Look at that rocket, boy. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah. So 7 minutes time for a closure above. Let's take a look at the 4 hour now. Yeah. Coming towards this 4 hour resistance here now. That was the move I wanted. Nothing on the 15, just on the 5 minute would have been nice. 30 pips on GJ. Oh, Samantha got it. Jeez. Very, very nice. On the 5 minute, maybe? Yeah. In this example here, on the 5 minute time frame on here, where would you put your stops? Would you just put it... would you just close if it started coming back down? Probably. I think that's what I would have done. Oh, let me just take a look at this little trend line over here. was at 7 o'clock. Yeah. Beautiful. GJ was a right thing today. Yeah, man. Fucking huge. Load of volume. All on the 5-minute time frames. 5-minute time frame would have been beautiful today. For me, I don't take too many trades in the 5. So stop loss below the previous 15 when this one wicked. Nice. So did you take that on when the doji closed? GJ dog ruin prick. Worst part of trading is sitting on your hands for hours waiting for a setup just to get no confirmations. Yeah, man. Nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do about it. Any news? It might have been. Let's take a look over here on Forex Factory. Let's take a look. Nothing I can see right now. Nothing that I can see right now. Wow, though. Shit, that's it. Launched. That was nice. That's fucking delicious. For the week or two. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, that's a good idea, though. The more you paper trade it, the more confident you'll be with it, so it's worth it. You can, yeah, EJ, Euro's kind of closed for most of the day. It just kind of sucks. Germany and France are, so that is the only issue. So I think waiting for now this 4 hour later on to close bullish is going to be nice. Hopefully it closes above 164.131, I think, for me. Yeah. So this is the move I wanted. Unfortunately I couldn't catch it. For me, playing in these areas now when we're coming towards this 4 hour resistance here is not worth it. We've literally just tapped it. So, yeah. How many pips is it when you put your trades to break even? Like 6 or 7 pips. We start pushing. Yeah, 6-7 pips, I'd say. That was kind of a nice little rejection down the 5. On the 5, how much would your stops have been there? 12 pips. Yeah. My God, look at that. 42 pips in quick time. Quick succession. US 30 next hour candle to test highs, do you reckon? I have no idea about US 30. No idea. This is pure funeral music. I'll change it next time. I'll change it next time. Yeah, so I think I'm probably going to wait for the 4 hour to close, I think, for me, personally. The best GJ trades are when you scalp from a 4 hour to 4 hour resistance support, yeah. I mean, already the signs over here, an Asian session were good, with these 4 hours closing bullish, but rejecting the lows. They were pretty good, so didn't actually look too nice in the lower time frames, but the zones are pretty good. I was going on holiday too, right? Max, I decided to enter impulsively and it worked out, thank God. Nice. So I think after taking an impulse like that, just go to yourself, if it did go the wrong way, what would you have done? Would you just closed here? Would you have just closed if it didn't start pushing exactly the way you want it? I think for me, that's what you got to do. If you take impulses, you got to get the push. If the push comes, great. If it doesn't, just close straight away. It starts pushing back down this area. Yeah. Hunting. Oh, wow. Some primal shit, boy. Some primal shit. Wow. Just click the button and that's it. Bam! Quick. Two trades today, 1 gold break even and GJ 25 pips. Easy. Especially for a Monday as well. That's beautiful. Max, but when would you take an impulse trade? Because I normally wait for a candle closure, but sometimes it's good to enter impulsive. But when would you? It's gonna be very, very nice for me. It's normally maybe at 8 o'clock open, to be honest. For most parts, I just don't take impulses. It's the same as the reason my controller doesn't. It's just because your win rate goes down, so you know they work out every so often, but sometimes they don't, and you get slapped both ways. So, yeah. Let's take a look. Oh my god.
That's a beast.
Oh, I couldn't kill them. I love animals too much. Fuck. So I blocked the naked HD. Can't see him anymore. Oh, nice. So when 4-hour closes above resistance, you'll be looking for buys to what levels? Yep. So the 4-hour closes above for sure. Where would we be looking? Well, you just gotta look left, right? So if you come above 164, 130, we're gonna probably continue to the next resistance, which is here, 164, 743. Kind of clean all the way up to there. First resistance would be at 400 though, and then should potentially continue to 774. That's the new zone. So yeah, that'll be bloody gorgeous. Wow, how much volume came in there was tasty. Caught GJ 70 pips, nice. Brian, how much is your buy if you got in there?
80 pips.
80 pips. Oh my days. So beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to close now. Finally, gold is coming down, but Jesus Christ, it took fucking ages. I mean, how many times did they come and wick back up? My God, pain in the ass. So when it doesn't work the first time, it's probably not gonna work the second or the third. So just leave it out. So I think let's just go back and go through the trades that you could have potentially taken from me. There's no real closures. If you're a bit aggressive on the 15-minute bullish engulf from there after we've made the double bottom, this could have been nice. My only issue is the stops. So you'd have to have used the 5-minute stops. You go to the 5-minute time frame, break at the 5-minute highs there. Stop loss below probably here. So that was okay. 4.8 pips. Okay. That was the entry, and then here it would have been on the 5-minute again, but still the same thing over here. Stop loss is 15 pips here, so you could have had to have just impulsed it and hoped it continued. So for me, it's just not the way I trade, but for people taking them, congratulations. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's take a look. But the good thing that you see over here is good ass volume, and the zones are pretty big, right? The zones are pretty big. It's not like it's in a ranging time. GJ is looking very, very good to continue bullish in the next couple of days for sure. Back up to 167 in the next couple of weeks would be nice. Daily's broken the previous daily high, which is good as well to see for later on. So yeah, should be nice for sure later on. No, Brian got in after that 15 close bullish. Yeah, but yeah, pretty much on the 4-hour flip. Did you have that for confidence as well, Brian? The 4-hour flip?
Yeah.
The 15 bullish engulfing.
But it was the engulfing forming support after the double bottom, as you said it previously, and I just chose the SL on the 5. That was decent for me.
Yeah, for sure.
As you had it when you did your thing, was exactly what I saw.
Yeah. Why didn't you take the buys above on GJ? I just told you why. Well, impulsive moves. Do you mean this closure here? Well, this closure here, it's just the same thing, right? Where the fuck are you gonna put your stops? You know, I always think it's all fair well looking at a trade that's ran off here now, and everyone's like, Max, why didn't you take the trade here? You don't know how big this lower wick on the hourly is gonna push down. I'd at least say it would come back down to this level at 164, and it hasn't. So it's all for well and good saying when price has already run off 10 pips, why didn't you take that? But it's before of why things didn't add up. Okay. Max, how many trades do you take a day on average? Probably 1 or 2. Sometimes 3. Sometimes 3. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it off over here because GJ has run off nicely. I'm going to wait perfectly now for the closure later on the 4 hour. But wow, looking like a lot of volumes coming in over here, which is tasty. So later on, what we're going to wait for, probably price to come to 164.380, then retrace, make some support at 164 to then rally back up over here later on. I think that'll be perfect for us. Yeah, I think that'll be perfect. So yeah, 1 trade today taken, gold break even, went to around about 7 pips, 6 pip profit, but nothing much for me to close any. And GJ over here has been the stinking trades with all of these buys over here. Bloody tasty, 50 pips already from this area, damn. So yeah guys, thank you very much for coming on. If you guys do want to join us for NY, where we're coming back and we'll take the support formans over here, make sure to come and join. We've had a lot of people join over the weekend. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Tomorrow is simulation session and homework is coming out today. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out guys, thank you very much Zoom. We'll see you for NY session later on. Hopefully you can get the nice support formans later on, man. Peace out, man. Peace out. See you later, alligator. Adios amigos. See you later YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Peace out, man.